Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you're all having a wonderful day today. I was in Dollar Tree the other day and I came across this 4-pack of foam dice. Now I have plenty of the bigger foam dice that come I think comes two in a package in that little netting, but I had not seen these. They were in a box with all the summer toys that they put out at this time of year. So I picked up a pack. I thought these might be really cute to decorate and use for Easter. I started today decorating a little bit for Easter. So along with these, I have 2 packages of those. I found these polka dot balloons. And I thought the colors were so pretty. Yellow, pink, orange. I thought, how springy is that? And then I also picked up a couple packages of just plain colored. I love the purple and the yellow in there. I picked that up, and they also had this big package, 3 ounces, yes, 3-ounce assorted sizes. So really, until I open it, I don't know how many of these I'm going to be able to use, but my gosh, for $1. And I see some of the ones with, looks like 9-inch round that I want to use, and they have white. There's no white in here for the well, of course, not the polka dots. But let's give this a try. Let's see if maybe we could decorate 1 or 2 of these little dice and see how it turns out. And there's Miss Bella. Say hi, Bella. Every time I open a package, she thinks it's a treat for her, but this is not a treat. She will be going to the doctor in just a couple hours, so I have a special treat for when she comes home after she gets her vaccinations today. But let's see. These are really cute. These are 12 inches. Bella, come on, come on. So the red, orange, pink, the pink, blue, yellow, super, super cute. So I'm hoping that one of these is going to cover a balloon. I'm sorry, a dice. Stretch that. I'm just going to cut this off a little bit. And then once I get it on, I'll see if maybe I need to adjust. I've used balloons on the bigger ones, and those will take 2 to cover it. But I'm hoping, so I'm just going to work this in here. See if I can pull it really tight. Okay, so it really did not cover well. So I do have 2 yellows. Hopefully this one is going to cover it. If not, I may have to put a white balloon underneath and then put this on top. So not always the easiest to work with, but there we go. Wow. I think maybe that covered pretty good. I'm going to just snip this just a little bit here And this is going to be my bottom. So sometimes when I do these, when I use the bigger dice, I might put something on the bottom of that to secure it. I've made some for St. Patrick's Day, and I use the stickers, and I put stickers on the bottom. But not bad, not bad. So I think maybe if I sit a little bunny on top of it, and he can sit on my counter, my kitchen counter, I think that will be cute, be a cute little decoration. This little bunny I found at Dollar Tree. They don't have them anymore. I don't know. I may have even picked him up last year. I'm not really sure. But I think that turned out kind of cute. So he can just be a little shelf sitter. Let's see. Green, orange. I have a red. Maybe this blue would be really pretty. We can try another one and see how that works. I have one more little bunny too that I can put on them. So I'm just going to try and stretch this as much as we can. And pull it over. Oh, there we go. Now this one covered much better. This one actually fit much better. So I think that's kind of cute. Here's another little bunny. This one I think I got at Dollar General. But I think for the most part, these are cute. Can even use plain balloons for them. Or, like I said, because they're so dark in color, maybe put a white one on first and then put a darker one over it. But I think these turned out pretty cute. Let's see, we can even stack them a little bit. Put the bunny on top. Get that where there's a few more polka dots there. There we go. So quick, easy, simple, cute little decoration for Easter. Like I said, I wasn't sure how this would turn out. But I think it turned out pretty cute. I'm happy with it. They will be sitting in my two-tiered shelf on their little dice. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If this is your first time joining me, I welcome you, and I thank you so very much for watching. I hope that you'll think about subscribing to my channel. I do some DIYs along with Dollar Tree, Goodwill, Hobby Lobby, Joann hauls. So if you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button. I hope, again, I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. And as always, stay safe, stay healthy, and until next time, bye-bye for now.